Great news! NBA, NBPA, and Sorare have announced a multi-year partnership. Sorare has become the official NFT Fantasy Partner of the NBA. If you like sports but did not play Sorare until now, I'll give you 5 reasons why it is an excellent time to start with Sorare now. One. European leagues are just started. 2. Baseball MLB League is with Sorare from this summer. 3. NBA League will be integrated this autumn. 4. World Cup 2022 is approaching, and Sorare will be extremely popular then. 5. 2 million registered users across 185 countries, including in markets across Europe and Asia enjoying the game. Maybe it's time for you. For more about Sorare, you can read on nftcrypto.info, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and be sure that you click on the like and subscription buttons, more news is coming.